guys, it's me, Bdash girl. I know I'm in a different scenery today, but I wanted to do an intro for this video because I forgot to do one, I'll be honest. But make sure you're subscribed to my channel and let's jump right into this DIY.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you.
We are going to start with our tank top first. You want to make sure the surface is nice and smooth, and then take your cutting tool and cut about 4 inches from the bottom. Now it's time for us to print our images. This is DIY t-shirt transfer paper by the brand Avery. I really like this brand because it prints off the images very vividly and it gives you a lot of really great directions. As you will see, it gives you everything you need in the pack. You have the actual paper that you print your images on, and it also gives you the paper that you need, parchment paper, so that when you're ironing on the image, you don't ruin it. As you can see here, I have printed off my image and it is so beautiful. I want to show you guys on the back there. That's clearly not the side you're going to print on, but on the front side. When cutting out your images, make sure you cut as close as possible to the picture.
Can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.
This particular transfer paper has an easy peel backing. Now it's time to iron on. Make sure your image is centered in the middle of your shirt. Lay your parchment paper on top of your image and begin ironing in a circular motion. Now we are moving on to our jeans. You are going to use the same technique you use for your shirt for the jeans, but first let's place the images.
Have dedicated their lives to fighting and the forces of
I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. In the comment section below, let me know which top was your favorite, the original Powerpuff Girls or the black Powerpuff Girls, y'all, or if you like both, let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias and Instagram at Bdashgirl, and as usual, it's love, it's peace, and it's happiness. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining